Ako'y maghihintay lamang sa'yo hanggang umabot tayo sa takdang panahon.
Going back someday, come on, stay to goodbye. Wanna put something at the world. I live too long in the wind, too long in the rain. Take me back, oh, I know where I came. On the journey it has been, and the end is not inside, but this days are up to.
Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. On screen,
mga kaibigan.
scores.
Sino nangunguna?
Sino sa tingin nyo nangunguna sa kanilang 5?
At mawala mo lang sana, kailanman di mawawala. Ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo, lagi nasa puso.
Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too.
Love me again, I've been waiting for you to stop me. I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him. I think
Huwag ka nang mawala kapag nariyan ako'y sumisip na. Here are your scores.
Ayan, nakakabitin pa rin kasi kulang-kulang, no?
Feel my life till now. The ones dito ang kita ngayon at kailanman. Alam mo man kulang mo, wala ka.
And here are your scores.
Naku, eto na naman. Sino yung 95? 95.
Meron po tayong
Meron, may
95
question mark.
ngayong gabi.
Ayan.
And that's from Barangay Caestebanan.
Wow. The one who sang, kailangan
Mr.
kita.
Lilaga.
Talaga naman.
keep my hands still with all my heart. I can't wait to live my life. Sa isip ko'y yakap baba. Sa isip ko'y walang iba. This is my life. I'm beginning to know it. 'Cause I don't I can't believe I'll never see. Even if you mean the whole world to me, I can't forget you.
Please reveal the scores.
Surprise! Somebody got a perfect score.
Wow! Ang nanguna ngayong gabi sa last batch natin ay Miss Barbara Ngay, and she received a perfect 100 points
Yes.
from our judges. And I guess it's our first time in the history of Sami Wing that we see a judge who stood up for a singing idol.
Yes,
Thank you so much.